Hey folks, just a short video on if you're having trouble opening up your liftgate on your GMT 900, Yukon, Suburban Tahoe, Escalade and all that fam. If it's working from the inside switch and your key fob, you might be looking at a touchpad switch that has gone bad. So these look sort of like what's on a Corvette and the exterior doors as well. Don't hold me to it, but anyway, something similar to that. As you can see on this one, corrosion I got to it, stopped working. So anyway, all you have to do is pull off this exterior trim on your liftgate. All right, that is right here. This is done by pulling out two nuts that are through these two holes right here and two that are right here, and you push your grommet right through that hole there. Your plug connector is right there, and you won't be able to pull it out right away. All right, it'll be pretty loose. And the last thing you'll have to do is push on that little tab right there, and then this whole trim will release. So yeah, once you get that done, honestly, it's maybe 20 minutes if it all goes wrong. That's it. Hope this helps.